Welcome to your inner negotiation workshop. My name is Randy, and I'll be leading your workshop. All of you met with our life coach to clarify your goals and review the ground rules. What do you want? Maybe the fun, perhaps a little anger, or wait a little longer. What is important is lying dormant. Deep inside you will find the answers are not in your mind. Does anyone know where I must go? If I'm no, 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 no. Oh, no.
Even born one way, who dared to say that's who I really am? Only I know who I am. From dad, from mom, but most of all for me. Oh, for me. Oh, for me. Oh, for me.
I don't want to see what's going on with me. It hurts so deep because of that creep. Who was that creep? What did he do to you? You're safe, just tell your truth. Release and find some peace. Let go of pain, so our fight is not in vain. The voice in my head, the voice in my head, the voice in my head, the voice in my head. Why so cold? Why so cruel? Why was I such a fool? You let me know who you were. The past is all a blur.
Look at me, listen to me, reach out to me, let me be me. Oh, let me be me. Can we do a final rehearsal?
Our feelings belong to us. We found a newfound trust. We can be a part of someone, enjoy life and have fun. We only have this life to live. We only have one heart to give. I will love myself.
I will listen inside.
I will trust my choices.
I will never hide.
I will change the past.
I will live in the now.
I will trust my gut.
I will find out how. I will honor my truth.
I will treasure my feelings.
I'll believe in myself.
I will honor my dealings.
It's up to me, and I must do it. I want it all. I just won't wait. I deserve it. I'm going for it. Time is passing. It's getting